Welcome to the Top Best. The Best Painting Party Kit is probably one of the most exciting and creative ways to bring people together for a memorable experience, offering a unique blend of artistic expression and social interaction that transforms any gathering into a vibrant celebration of imagination and fun, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to add a touch of flair and entertainment to their next event. Number 5. Crayola Mini Twistables Crayons, 50 CT. Introducing Crayola Mini Twistables Crayons. This set includes 50 vibrant colors, perfect for little hands. They are designed for mess-free coloring fun. These crayons are ideal for all your arts and crafts projects. They make a wonderful addition to any gift, especially for holidays like Easter or Valentine's Day. Say goodbye to messy peeling and sharpening. Our unique design means you can twist them up and keep coloring without any fuss. Crafted with high-quality materials, these crayons are built to last through countless creative sessions. They are designed for durability and extended use. Their portable and convenient design makes them perfect for on-the-go creativity. Take them anywhere and let your imagination run wild. Make this Easter extra special with these colorful crayons. They are a must-have addition to any Easter basket, bringing joy and creativity to the celebration. What we like. These crayons offer a mess-free coloring experience with no peeling or sharpening required. If you are looking for a convenient and clean option for young children or travel, these are a fantastic choice. They are perfect for keeping little hands busy without the usual crayon-related cleanup. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to create a beautiful painting, including canvas, paints, brushes, and step-by-step instructions. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. The finished painting looks professional and is a great addition to any home decor. Number 4. J-Mark Painting Set. Introducing the J-Mark Painting Set, a comprehensive art kit designed for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, this set provides everything you need to unleash your creativity. Get started painting right away with our easy-to-use set. It includes safe, washable acrylic paints that are water-based, ensuring a hassle-free cleanup process. Experience enhanced control and consistency with a variety of premium brushes. They are designed to support various painting styles, including acrylic, watercolor, and oil. Looking for an ideal gift? This painting kit is perfect for anyone who loves to paint, from aspiring young artists to professionals. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. This set offers a relaxing way to enhance your artistic skills and express your emotions. It's a great choice for personal use, art classes, or setting up your home studio. What we like. This set provides a comprehensive solution for anyone wanting to start painting, including beginners. The washable acrylic paints make cleanup a breeze, which is ideal for those who are new to painting or prefer a low-stress creative process. If you're looking for an easy entry into painting with all the essentials included, this is a great option. What people say. Plenty of paint and all the colors you need to create a variety of shades. Easily diluted with just a little water. Lots of colors, paint brushes, canvas, and palette. This is great for gift to children or even adults who are into art and crafts project. It has everything you will need. Number 3. US Art Supply 6-Person Painting Party Kit. Gather your friends and family for a creative painting party. This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a memorable artistic experience. Perfect for both adults and kids, it's a fantastic way to enjoy a birthday party or a casual get-together. Adults can unwind with a glass of wine while the little ones explore their creativity. Inside, you'll find 6 easels, a vibrant 12-color acrylic paint set, and 12 canvas panels. It truly has all the supplies for a complete painting session. We've included 6 brush sets with various Taklon bristle brushes, 6 palettes for easy color mixing, and 6 adjustable artist aprons to keep everyone clean. Explore a spectrum of 12 bright, water-based acrylic colors in large tubes. Plus, with included color mixing wheels, achieving the perfect shade is simple and fun. This kit is designed to let everyone express their artistic side. It's the ideal choice for a unique and engaging party activity that everyone will love. What we like. This kit is designed for group fun, perfect for hosting a painting party for up to 6 people. It includes everything needed for a shared creative experience, making it ideal for birthday parties or social gatherings. If you're planning an event and want a complete, easy-to-manage art activity for a group, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The paints are a great consistency and the color trays are awesome. The brushes were decent, they included aprons, a really decent amount of paint, and metal easels that were sturdy. The package had everything we needed to celebrate a quarantine birthday. The color wheel is helpful to mix paint to make various colors. The aprons were sturdy. Number 2. Xtinmee Sip and Paint Kit, Afro Girl Style. Discover the joy of creativity with our all-in-one sip and paint kit. It's perfect for a fun and relaxing artistic experience. This comprehensive set comes with 12 complete kits, featuring pre-drawn canvases, easels, brushes, paints, and all the accessories you need to get started. Crafted with durable cotton canvas and sturdy wooden frames and easels, our kits are built to last. You can rely on them for countless creative sessions. Whether it's a painting party, a casual get-together with friends, or a team-building event, this kit adds a splash of fun and creativity to any gathering. The foldable easel makes storage a breeze, and the brushes and palettes are simple to clean after your masterpiece is complete. Spend more time creating and less time worrying about cleanup. Enjoy the unique Afro Girl style with pre-drawn canvases that make painting accessible and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of experience level. What we like. This set is perfect for themed parties, especially with its pre-drawn canvases that guide the painting process. It's ideal for those who want a fun, guided art experience without the pressure of starting from a blank canvas. If you're hosting a larger event or looking for a specific artistic theme, this kit offers a unique and engaging activity. What people say. This is a great way to have a party at home and still get the painting with a twist experience. The kit comes with everything you need to have a fun and creative night. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for beginners. Number 1. AROIC 72 PCS Professional Painting Set. Discover the ultimate painting experience with our comprehensive 72-piece set. It includes everything you need to bring your artistic visions to life, from sturdy easels to a wide array of brushes and palettes. Whether you love watercolor, oil, acrylic, or gouache, this set is designed to meet all your creative demands. The included brushes and palettes are perfect for any artistic style or technique you wish to explore. Crafted with premium materials, our easels are stable and foldable, while the brushes feature durable bristles and solid wood handles. You can rely on these tools to support your focus and creativity during every painting session. Setting up and folding the wooden easels is a breeze, making them incredibly convenient to use and store. Cleaning the brushes and palettes is also simple, ensuring they are ready for your next masterpiece. This reusable painting kit is ideal for artists of all levels, from beginners and students to children and adults. It's a fantastic gift for loved ones or a great addition to art parties and classes. We are committed to providing you with exceptional service. If you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, our professional customer support team is ready to assist you one-on-one until your issues are resolved. What we like. This comprehensive set offers a generous number of high-quality brushes and stable easels, making it suitable for multiple artists. It's a great choice for art classes, studios, or families where multiple people want to paint simultaneously. If you need a robust set with plenty of tools for a group or for ongoing art projects, this kit provides excellent value and quality. What people say. The set includes everything you need for a complete painting experience. 4 wooden easels, 40 brushes with nylon brush heads, 4 canvas panels, 8 inches by 10 inches, drawing boards, and palettes. The brushes are well made and offer a variety of sizes, making them versatile for different painting techniques. The easels are sturdy and easy to assemble, and the canvas panels are perfect for both kids and adults who are just starting out or enjoy painting as a hobby. These were pretty sturdy and just the right size for an 8 by 10 inch canvas. The accessories they came with are great too. The palettes made the perfect mixing plate and I used the brushes as part of the favor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.